Hello, I'm going to be making tuna cracker salad. But after this video, go and watch my brother's channel, which is Emerald Otter. And in fact, we have the real guy right here.
Hi.
Anyways, the ingredients to make tuna cracker salad are tuna, relish, a mayo, and crackers. You can use Ritz, but I think Ritz is pretty sweet, so yeah, we use this. Anyways, start by opening your tuna. Next, grab a fork.
And, sir, chef, don't we also like drain the fluid? No, guess we don't actually.
Next, we pour it into a bowl. Ooh, ASMR. There we go, most. Next, take the mayo. Then pour the mayo in. Next, take relish. Put it on relish. Just ASMR. Relish. We should add in the comments ASMR.
Yeah, the comments.
Next, start mixing.
Unhygienic.
Next, take a plate. Hey, stop looking at your brother. Next, take crackers. If you don't want to get your hands into the consistency, then get a spoon. Grab crackers. Place crackers down. Scoop up the mixture. Put it on cracker. Voila! You have made tuna cracker salad. Relish!
So should I do like a taste test?
Sure. Tell us how it is. Just remember that it's not throw up. Taste it.
It tastes like relish. Tastes like relish.
I normally like to have it with apple juice and do not as much mayo and relish as we did.
No, add more. Just don't add that.
Add more mayo.
Also, properly empty all the tuna. And not have like 2 grams of tuna. Sorry, I'm like Chef Ramsay, you know, you're just like bad because, even though you're probably not, but I'm just like Chef. Closing this kitchen down.